The water was so cold. At first, I thought it was just taking a while to heat up, but then I realized the worst had happened. We had no hot water. I didn't know what to do. My husband was at work. I called him and he was like, "What can I do? Take care of it." I had kids eating lunch, and it was bath night. Then it hit me. I know, I'll call Brad Hackler. I called him up and described my dilemma. It's like he read my mind. He said my water heater probably went out, but not to worry because he could fix it. I was like, "You can? Phew." Yup. Well, the story ends real rosy. He got here super fast. My husband got home and was like, "Wow, that's not as expensive as I thought it would be. Great job, babe." My kids got a warm bath, and I'm super mom. Thanks, Brad Hackler.
Do you need a super plumber? Call Hackler Plumbing for any plumbing needs. Water heater repair, leaky toilets, faucets, and pipes, clogged drains, slab leaks, new construction, commercial work, and positive moral support after you first tried to fix it yourself and broke it.